This week is Cervical Cancer Prevention Week, so let's talk about smear tests. It's a word that often sparks fear or nerves due to the stigma, misinformation, and rumours surrounding it. But we need to put that to bed. Firstly, in case you're wondering, what even is a smear test? A smear test, also known as cervical screening, helps prevent cervical cancer by checking for a virus called high-risk HPV and cervical cell changes. So during the screening appointment, a sample of cells will be taken from your cervix, and your cervix is the opening to your womb from your vagina. The whole appointment should take no more than 10 minutes, and you'll typically get your first invite at 24 and then be invited every 3 years after that. Now, understandably, the idea of such a close-up examination can be a bit worrying for some. But what is far more worrying is that research shows that 81% of women either delayed or did not attend their cervical screenings because they were too embarrassed about the procedure. Now consider the fact that cervical cancer is one of the most common cancers in women under 35, and it's estimated that smear tests save up to 5,000 lives a year. So ladies, we can't let a little bit of completely imaginary embarrassment stop us from getting a potentially life-saving check. So if you think a smear test is embarrassing, here are 4 things that you've probably done before that are way more embarrassing than a smear test. Coming in strong at number 1 is stalking someone's Instagram and liking an old photo. 2 is accidentally messaging the person you're talking not very nicely or way too nicely about. 3 is playing your music in a public place out loud, thinking your headphones are connected. 4 is calling your teacher or your boss mum or dad. We've all done it, right? So if you've gotten through any of those things, and I know you have, you can totally get through a smear test. Just remember, it's okay and completely normal to be nervous. Just don't let those nerves stop you from doing something that could save your life.